Welcome to JH. Resident Supply is an online store peddling everything from chandeliers to door handles for people who think a new light switch will finally fix their lives. They focus on modern and decorative designs, targeting anyone desperate to upgrade their living space without actually moving. But the big question remains, is Resident Supply a legitimate operation, or should you be clutching your wallet in fear? Let's find out if their products shine as bright as their marketing. The first positive sign is their massive social media presence, boasting over 96,000 followers on Instagram alone. Because as we all know, if enough people follow you on the internet, you simply must be a pillar of the community. They are active across Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube, which adds a layer of transparency that scam sites usually avoid like the plague. It's much harder to vanish into the night when you have 100,000 people watching your every post. Another point in their favor is that Resident Supply maintains its own storefront on Amazon. Being listed there usually means a brand has jumped through enough hoops to prove they aren't just three kids in a trench coat. We also dug into their domain details and found they've been active since 2023. Surviving for over 2 years is a feat in the e-commerce world, lasting longer than most New Year's resolutions and certainly longer than your average fly-by-night scam. When it comes to customer support, they offer an email, a phone number, a physical address, and even live chat. It's almost like they actually want to talk to you, which is a refreshing change from companies that hide behind a broken contact form. However, while their on-site reviews are suspiciously glowing, the rest of the internet has some notes. Trustpilot gives them a 3.9-star rating, while the detectives over on Reddit provide the kind of brutal honesty you only find in internet forums. Some customers rave about the stylish designs, but others report inconsistent quality and shipping delays that could rival the postal service of the Middle Ages. There are complaints about items arriving broken and customer service that occasionally moves at the speed of a tectonic plate. Several users also feel the products are overpriced, which is a bitter pill to swallow given their return and restocking policies are stricter than a boarding school headmistress. So, what is the final verdict? Resident Supply appears to be a legitimate business with a solid online footprint and actual humans behind the scenes. However, the mixed feedback means you should probably exercise a little common sense before buying that gold-plated faucet. Always read the return policy carefully, check the most recent reviews, and maybe start with a small purchase before you decide to relight your entire mansion. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews.